For decades, the oil refining industry has relied on cracking, thermal, catalytic, and hydrocracking. But these methods are complex, energy-intensive, and require expensive catalysts. The innovative development by GlobeCore, the AVS vortex layer apparatus, makes it possible to avoid most of these costs. This equipment is compact, does not require thorough pre-cleaning of the incoming crude oil, and provides pre-cracking preparation on a completely different level. This means lower production costs and more efficient use of resources.
The AVS vortex layer apparatus is a game changer. By using electromechanical activation, it allows for an increase in the yield of light oil fractions by up to 12%, while simultaneously reducing the content of sulfur and nitrogen-containing impurities. This is explained by the fact that inside the working chamber of the apparatus, processes such as cavitation, collisions of ferromagnetic particles, and localized temperature increases occur. All of this together changes the structure of the raw material, improves the quality of petroleum products, and makes further cracking more economical.
The operating principle of the GlobeCore oil processing unit is simple. Ferromagnetic particles inside the working chamber move under the influence of a magnetic field. They create a unique combination of energetic effects, friction, cavitation, and magnetostriction. Cavitation allows the breaking of long hydrocarbon chains, turning them into lighter fractions. In addition, the magnetic field orients polar molecules and forms more stable structures. This means that after AVS treatment, the oil becomes less viscous, and the distillation process is faster and more controllable.
Our AVS devices are compact flow-through units that are easily integrated into production lines. They operate reliably even under variable conditions, require no expensive maintenance, and consume less energy compared to traditional dispersers and cavitators used for oil pre-treatment. Thanks to automation, the operator has full control over all process parameters. This reduces the human factor and allows for uninterrupted operation.
The effect of using AVS oil treatment units is obvious. The distillation temperature drops by 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, depending on the feedstock. This means a real reduction in energy consumption and lower emissions. On an enterprise scale, this means tens of thousands of dollars in savings every month. But even more important, it's a step toward greener processing. Less energy means less CO2 emissions, which meets modern environmental safety requirements.
We create equipment that makes oil pre-processing not only more efficient, but also safer. Simplicity of design, automation, and parameter control ensure stable operation without additional risks for personnel. All GlobeCore oil processing units undergo multi-level testing for strength and safety. For customers, this is a guarantee that the equipment will withstand intensive industrial loads and operate reliably for decades.
The oil processing technology using AVS vortex layer devices from GlobeCore is an innovation that allows for increased productivity while simultaneously reducing costs and negative environmental impact.